This is the Panasonic Air Conditioner. It's very powerful and very good, and the temperature is until 16 degrees Celsius. As you can see, the Panasonic Air Conditioner is right above my room. Yes. And as you can see, I will show you the power is very powerful and very cool. Cooling. It's Panasonic Air Conditioner. I just turn off the plug. I turn off this plug. Hot. Oh, that's it. I on for 30 minutes. This is 16 degrees Celsius. I simply take the remote. Yes. Okay. To the degrees Celsius. I turn the air swing. Where?
Hả? என்னடா ரிமோட் போனா
One. Get the.
What are you doing? Huh? The remote properly.
And then I came to 16 degrees Celsius.
Enough.
And I hope you subscribe to my channel. Bye.